I'm thinking air fried chicken wings in the air fryer 360. Hey folks, welcome to Ken Rogers, Mostly Outdoors, except we're indoors tonight because it's already almost dark and kind of wet, or getting wet and nasty out there. So we're just gonna give this Emeril's air fryer 360 another go at it, guys. Second video on this, and I'm gonna be cooking some chicken wings tonight, a little seasoned up, and we're gonna do some barbecue dipping sauce that I got on hand here. Let's get going. Alright, just got some olive oil here in my mister here, and I'm going to just coat these down just a little. And the idea is to use less oil on these. Alright, and I'm going to back this up with some Twisted Q, the Wicked Sweet Bourbon. I've used this on other stuff, maybe even on wings before, but we haven't air fried with it, so that's where we're going with. We're going to keep a little bourbon theme going on this cook. Pat these down, make sure it's on there real good. I'm going to turn these. I don't know, I'm going to use all 3 baskets on this, crisper baskets that I have, and hopefully it's enough. If not, we'll do a separate batch to finish up. Should be good. And repeat. Okay, let's see how many we can get in here. I've sprayed our crisper basket here with just a little bit of olive oil, and we're just going to start. We're going to keep them separate. We're going to get as many as we can. You guys let me know. You guys do more air frying than I have. A lot of you have. Do I need to turn these? I would think the air circulating on here would prevent me from having to turn. I am going to rotate up and down. We'll find out. All right, there's one. You know, we might just do this. All right, let's come back in here and let's turn this back to air fry. Had it on bake earlier. And I'm gonna turn my temp back up to 400. And I'm with as many as I'm doing, I'm not real sure how long to go. I'm gonna go, let's start with 15 minutes, and I'm gonna, oop, there it is. Go with 15 minutes, and I'm gonna rotate these out every couple minutes, few minutes, and see where we're going. Let's get this preheated. I really have a feeling I'm gonna do 20 minutes. Alright, we are preheated. Get our pans in. I will be rotating these as we go. Let's get to cooking. Okay folks, we're at the 5-minute mark. I'm going to do a quick rotate and hope I'm right. I have a feeling we're going over 15 minutes on this. We'll pull this out. Look at that one. down. Move that one down. This one goes on top. Door closed. I'll see you in 5 minutes. All right, we're already another 5 minutes in here, and I can just look at these and tell you we are not even close. So I'm gonna let this finish out the rest of this 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna rotate them again, and we'll most likely reset the 15 minutes and go from there. I think 15 minutes may have been fine if I just had one rack, but I got 3 racks of wings here, and I can tell you now we're gonna go maybe up to 30 minutes, but we'll see. We're at 15 minutes, and I can tell you now we're not done, and which I had a feeling that was going to be the case. Just for kicks and grins, let's get some temps on this, just to see how close we are. Up in here on this flat. Ain't that far, guys. 126, 127. Yeah, I'm closer than I thought. We're at 140. There on the drum. Let's rotate these and get them going a little bit longer. Do my routine towards the bottom. It's going to do a little bit of a preheat, but that's okay. We'll just let her go. I'll check back here in about 10 minutes, see how close we are. Okay, let's pause this. I just want to check some temps. I have a feeling we are getting close. I probably will go ahead and rotate these. Let's check these on top. About 151. Oh, we're very close, guys. Very close. Yes, we are. I'm going to rotate these. Okay, folks, I am declaring this done. See you over here for a taste test. That looks pretty yummy, don't it? All right, let's try these bad boys out. What? Wicked sweet bourbon, yeah. It kind of jumps out at you. It's not real hot, but it's got a tang to it. Definitely got a tang to it. I have used that before. I always had a little smoke mixed with it or whatever from outside on the grill. I'm gonna try a little bit of this barbecue sauce. This is the Jim Beam, the all-natural, gluten-free, if that's important to you, bold and spicy barbecue sauce. My brother and sister-in-law got me this for Christmas. Like they know what I want for Christmas or something. And we're gonna give this a shot right here with these wings. Give these a little dip. It is bold. I'm not getting a lot of spice yet. There's yeah, I'm not getting a lot of spice yet, but it is pretty bold. Got a bold flavor. One more time. I'm gonna have to figure out, and it's clearly a learning curve on my part on this air fryer. I need to learn how to crisp up that skin, and I might have to raise my temperatures towards the end or something. It's I typically don't bread a lot of stuff, although I will on here, especially since I'm trying to lose a few little pounds. But so there's gonna be a lot of breaded stuff going on with me for a while. But I'll do some for you on occasion. How about that? For you, or just for you, not for me, for you. Guys, thank you. I'm having fun. I'm having fun playing with this thing, and I'm learning a little bit here and there. So, and gonna bring you along for the ride as much as we can. So guys, thank you. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to us. It helps us out a lot, guys. So until next time, God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.